Pag ang bunso ata naglalambing. Tadadang, tadadang. Super cute. What a week! Happy Keto! So we got another Pop Mart figure. This one's very special kasi gift sa akin. Minsan lang ako maglambing sa aking mga kapatid. Or sa aking kapatid. Sa aking mga kapatid actually, lahat sila. Minsan lang ako maglambing. Pero it's very timely that my sister was in Thailand. And then I asked her to get me a Thailand exclusive. So, si Crybaby Artist, yung maker ng Crybaby, she's actually from Thailand. And the moment na nag-start akong mag-collect ng Pop Mart, nung nasa Singapore ako, she was also there signing and meeting some of her fans. So, since hindi pa ako masyadong into Pop Mart that time, parang nagsa-start pa lang ako and I was into Kubu. So, hindi ko masyadong na-appreciate yung basta mga ganong nangyayari na ba't ko siya pupuntahan, hindi ko pa naman siya kilala, parang ganyan. Pero, I started liking Crybaby. I never had a Crybaby figure, yung blind box. But, I want to have that Thailand exclusive na yung pop beads lang, yung maliliit na blue and pink. And, I'm so lucky. Pag ang bunso ata naglalambing, pinagbibigyan ng magkakapatid. So, she got me a Thailand exclusive Hello Thailand Crybaby Elephant. And ito na siya. Tadadang, tadadang. Super cute. First time ko siyang nakita. I never expected na merong gantong Thailand exclusive. All I really want is the pop bean so that it won't be too much for them to carry. And I'm not the person na ask for pasalubong kung saan nagpupunta yung mga friends ko, yung family ko, kasi I want them to enjoy the place as much as they can. She asked me what are the things that she can buy in Thailand. And then I asked her, if makakadaan ka ng Pop Mart, please get me a Pop Mart figure. So she got me a Pop Mart plush doll. Thank you, Ate Ting. So nice of you. And this is actually my first plush then for Pop Mart. So ko lang siyang buksan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Cute! When you open the box, meron siyang ganito. Ito yung card niya. Diba? Si Pop Mart laging may card. So ito yung card ni Crybaby. Yan. Super nice. Hello! Para di ba makikita? My first plush from Pop Mart. Ooh, nakaano siya lahat. Nakadikit siya lahat. Cute. I won't open this na kasi we are going to play today. Since nagpi-pickleball tayo and most of you are into pickleball as well. Nagtatanong yung mga friends ko kung saan daw pwede maglaro sa pickleball. Well, you download Reclub. There's a lot of games sa Reclub. But, speaking about, my sister buying me a a Crybaby plush doll, I will be seeing my brother as well, my brother-in-law, would like to play pickleball. And, what are the odds yung paglalaroan namin dun sa place nila mismo? So, sama ko kayo doon. Wala kayong choice. Manood kayo kasi nakakapagod mag-vlog. Ayan. Kayo ba naglalaro kayo ng pickleball or any sport that you play? Saan kayo naglalaro? Or anong level nyo na baka naman pwede nyo kaming i-invite, maglaro tayo ng sabay, diba?
In 1.2 kilometers, turn right on San Miguel Avenue. If you like it, blink twice.
Interesting, ang daming ganap dito. Merong cute. Hello. Hello. Nabaliw na, nabaliw na. Ah? Ayan yung... Diyan ka sa kadari. Ay. Inublot ko na. Aming balahibo. Ba't kayo nagsised? Lahat kayo nagsised. Mag-general cleaning tayo. Sa music tayo. Panindigan mo! Grabe, alipabo ko. Tapan mo ka. Supernova. Pwede ba ito dito sa taas? Nag-easy ka kasi bawal tayo mag-electric fan eh. Grabe, inabot na kami ng gabi. Hindi pa kami tapos. Huli ka! Nagpalit ka na ng bedsheet?
Yes. I'm clean.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Day 2! Day 2! Hello to all our friends who are planning to add pets or add fur babies sa units nyo. This is something that you can consider. Papakita ko lang ha, not to gross you out, but yan. Well, I'm just being real. Hindi rin naman kami lagi kami nagva-vacuum, pero hindi kami laging nag-general cleaning. And most of our dogs, all of our dogs, meron silang shed season. Is that how you call that? Pero meron silang, basta naglalagas sila. So every time naglalagas sila, this happens. That's why lagi na itong mangyayari. Para hindi mangamoy ang bahay, hindi rin magulo, and hindi maalikabok. Imagine that, sa liit ng unit, 2 days kami naglilinis. Pero medyo matagal din kasi kaming hindi naglinis. So, most likely we'll do this more often. Yan lang. Back to music. The days you say, Where do we go?
Small talk, no conversation. That makes me impatient.
If you change your mind, 'cause I'm all alone and calling,
No answer. You text me.
it feels like today, 'cause I'm all alone and
I'm falling past it.
ah. Wow! Sarap ng buhay. Mas una pa pumesto. Ha? Ha? Achievement unlocked. It's now 9:53. 54. Whole day silang hindi nakapasok sa room kasi while nililinis namin ay sila namin papasukin para wala nang balahibo. So ayan, it's time for them to kalat na naman. Na magkalat na naman. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy for the past week. Lagi kong sinasabi na I just want to spend the time at home. Wala lang, staying at home. Kung anong pwede kong gawin. Or mag-rest muna sa gala, mag-rest muna sa gagawin, or mag-rest kung saan man pumunta. And I'm so happy that I was able to do that this time. Nakapag-stay ko sa bahay and it is so productive na nakapaglinis pa tayo. Naayos natin yung room, naayos natin yung buong bahay. Actually, nag-general cleaning kami. And the dogs are happy as well. And it's better for us kasi wala nang balahibo. Wala nang masyadong balahibo. So, ayun. Would you believe it's the first week of the year 2025 na hindi ako lumabas? The only time I went out is nag-church kanina, which is sa baba lang ng condo. And nag-drive-thru kami. Stop, ha? Stop! And nag-drive-thru kami. So, yun lang yung time na lumabas ako. Okay, baby. You're welcome. That was the only time na lumabas ako ng bahay for this week. And I was so tempted to play pickleball earlier, by the way. But sabi ko, stay at home, enjoy, and rests for the week. Masaya naman na maging productive sa bahay. So yun lang, I'm so happy finally nagawa ko to. It's like an achievement. Achievement na magstay sa bahay ng buong weekend and hindi lang nakatulala, but marami akong nagawa. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, mas marami pa tayong magawa na ganito. And hopefully, ma-upload ko na yung ibang vlogs kasi nagpa-pile up na naman for 2025. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Mag-spend time muna ako sa mga ito kasi nakamiss. Na-miss daw nila kami. Parang the whole time. Oh, this is not possible without the help of Uso, Jin, and Jenica. Kanya-kanyang area actually kami. Nangyari lang na sa akin yung kitchen tsaka yung room. Kaya yun yung maraming exposure sa vlog. Pero, syempre, nagtulungan kami, no? Hindi ko naman kayang gawin to mag-isa. Masaya sila kung ako lang yung gagawa mag-isa, no? Alright, bye! Thank you, bye-bye.